She take my money when I'm in need. Yeah, 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 she's a trifling friend indeed, indeed. Oh, 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 she's a gold digger. Well, 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 well over town. That did me.